Good afternoon, students. Today we are starting exercise 16, playing with numbers. In this exercise, we have to study a number of interesting properties of addition, subtraction and multiplication. So, student, let us start the addition of the numbers which have some letters. So, the first question is, find the value of letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. The first question is 3a plus 25. Here, the answer is B2. So, students, we have to find the value of A and B here. So, the first step involved, we have to find the value of A. The first step is the sum of A and 5 is 2. So, addition of A and 5 gives us 2. So, a number whose ones digit is 2, this is possible only when A is equal to 7. So, it will be 7 plus 5 is 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. Put up here 2 and carry over 1 here. So, it becomes 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So, the value of B is 6. So, students, addition of A and 5 gives 2. So, a number whose ones digit is 2, this is possible only when A is equal to 7. So, when we put here A is equal to 7, we get 7 plus 5 is 12. Put here 2 and carry over 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, therefore, the second step is, it will be carried to 1s. 1 is carried to 10s place. So, 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. So, B is equal to 6. Therefore, our answer A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 6. The next question is 4A plus 98 is equal to CB3. Here, we have to find the value of A, B and C. The first step is addition of A and 8 gives us 3. So, a number whose ones digit is 3 is possible only when A is equal to 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. Put here 3, carry over 1. So, this is our first step. So, put A is equal to 5. So, it is 5 plus 8 is 13, carry over 1. 4 and 1 5. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. So, it is 4 and this is 1. So, next step is 1 will be carried to 10s place. So, 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 14. So, students, the value of A is 5, the value of B is 4 and the value of C is 1 and the answer is 143. Now, question number 3 and 4 you have to do by yourself. I am explaining you question number 5 here. AB into 3 is equal to CAB. So, students, when 3 is multiplied with B, it gives us B. There will be two values for B. First one will be 0 and 5. When 3 is multiplied with 0, it gives 0. Or when 3 is multiplied with 5, it gives 3 5s are 15. So, it is 5 and carry over 1. So, students, we are taking here B is equal to 5. Then 5 3s are 15. And 1 is carried to the 10s place. So, it is not possible. We are taking B is equal to 0. So, 3 0 0. 3 into A is AC. For A, we have to find 3A into A is equal to A. So, there will be two values of A again, 0 and 5. But on 10s place, 0 is not possible. So, we take here 5. So, it is 5050 into 3 is 150. So, students, our answer A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1. The next question is AB into 5 is equal to CAB. For the step 1 is, for B we can take 0 and 5, as b into 5 is equal to b. So in this type of questions we have to take b is equal to 0 or 5. On taking 0, 5 0 0, it will be here, and that will not be possible, so we are taking, so we will take here b is equal to 5. So on putting b as 5, 5 5s are 25, carry over 2. Then second step is to get 5 into a is equal to a, put a is equal to 2. On putting a is equal to 2, 5 2s are 10 and carry 2, 10 plus 2 is 12. So it is, the answer is 125. It means the value of a is 2 and b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 1. So students, you have to do these questions likewise. Now question number 9, 2ab plus a71. In this, the first step is b plus 1 is equal to a. When b is equal to 7, it will be b 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So put b is equal to 7, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Now a plus b is equal to 1. The value of b is 7. So a plus 7 is equal to 1. It means 7 plus 4 is 11. So put a is equal to 4. So put a is equal to 4. It means 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Now carry over 1. 1 plus 2, 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. It is. Then we get a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 7. Now we are doing exercise 16.2. If you have any problem, students, you can ask me in school time. You can ask me your problems in school time. Now in exercise 16.2, there is a divisibility test. We study about the divisibility test of 3 and 9, divisibility of 10, 5, 2, 3 and 9. What is the divisibility test of 10? When the unit place number is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. So students, what is the divisibility test? When one's digit is 0, then the whole number, the number is divisible by 10. Like 50, 100, 80, these are divisible by 10. Now divisibility by 2 is when unit place number is even number. It means it will be table of 2 is there, then the number is, or we can say that all even numbers are divisible by 2. It means all natural number whose one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then they are divisible by 2. Now divisibility of 9 and 3 is, add all the numbers. Like this one, we are taking example of this one, 3573, whether it is divisible by 3 or 9. So to find the divisibility test, add all these digits, 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3, it means 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3 and 9 both. Why? Because 18 comes in 3's table and in 9's table. So it is divisible by 3 and 9 both. Yes. Now we are starting exercise 16.2. Divisibility of 3 and 9 here given. The first question is, if 2, 1, y, 5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So as we see, जैसे कि हमने अभी देखा है कि 3 और 9 के डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट को पहचानने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, सारे नंबर्स को ऐड करें और वो नंबर्स ऐसे हों जो कि 3 की टेबल में आते हों. सो इफ़ ए नंबर इज़ मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, then the sum of its digits will be divisible by 9. So sum of digits is equal to 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus y. 8 plus y should be a multiple of 9. So 8 plus y is equal to 9. It means y is equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So the value of y is equal to 1. Similarly, the second question, if 3, 1, z, 5 is a multiple of 9, where z is a digit, then what is the value of z? If a number is multiple of 9, then the sum of its digits will be divisible by 9. So sum of digits is equal to 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to 5 and 1 6, 6 and 3 9, 9 plus z. So students, 9 plus z should be a multiple of 9, so 9 plus z is equal to 9. So z is equal to 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So the value of z is equal to 0. Now other possible values will be 9 plus z is equal to 9, 18. Because 18 comes in the table of 9, so z is equal to 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. The next question, question number 3 is, if 24x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x? If 24x is a multiple of 3, then the sum of digits will be divisible by 3. So sum of digits is equal to 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 6 plus x. 6 plus x should be a multiple of 3, so 6 plus x is equal to 3. But it is not possible, so we will take another multiple of 3. So students, 6 plus x is equal to 6. It means x is equal to 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 0. Other possible values of x are 6 plus x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 6 plus x is equal to 12. Write the table of 6 here. Write the table of 3 here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 likewise. And you will get the value of x. Now question number 4 is similar. I am explaining you 3 1 z 5 is a multiple of 3 where z is a digit. What might be the value of z? If 3 1 z 5 is a multiple of 3, then the sum of its digits will be divisible by 3. For the divisibility test of 3, we have to add all the digits. So students, 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 you have to add. On adding this, we get 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9. If 9 plus z should be a multiple of 9, so 9 plus z is equal to 3, but it is not possible. So we will take another multiple of 3 like 9 or bigger than 9. So 9 plus z is equal to 9. So z is equal to 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So z is equal to 0. Other multiples are 9 plus z is equal to 12. So z is equal to 3. 9 plus z is equal to 15. So z is equal to 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. 9 plus z is equal to 18. So z is equal to 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. So the students, here your chapter number 16 is completed now, and the syllabus for annual exam is also over. So complete your fair copies to get the full marks of your copies. Best of luck students. If you have any problems, please ask me. Thank you.